Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet Plus 4100 series. What I want to do is to show you how to copy documents. We got two documents here we want to copy. This one is black and color and this one is black. To copy your document, open up the glass scanner and stick the document that you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the left. Then close the printer. Then you go to the control panel. This button is for you to copy black and this button is for you to copy color. If you want to copy black one page, then you press this one. If you want to copy black twice, you press this twice. The same thing is applicable to color. So we're going to copy black one and you will see that the number changed on the LCD screen. This is the document we copied, black 1. Now we want to copy this document, color 2. You press this twice, 1, and the number change. Press it again, it goes to 2. So we're going to copy this now, 2, in color. So this is the document we copied. So to copy document, let's say if you want to copy this two-sided on one page, stick the document that you want to copy face down. So now I'm going to show you how to copy two sides of the paper. Then you select copy 1. Now the next thing to do is if you want to copy it on the other side, you take this document, reload it on the paper tray. So put this back, then go to the printer and select copy again for you to copy it on the other page. This is the document we copied on both sides. Thank you very much indeed. This is how to copy double-sided. Thank you.